Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee, and as you know, I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World, and as you all know, this book is this long, and I cannot make a full book on a single video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making part by part, topic by part topic, so you people can understand, see. And if you have any doubts, you can directly ask me in the comment section, or you can connect me with me on Instagram handle. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. And often what happens, we all want to read book, understand, but nobody is there to explain us what's there in the book. So we feel boring. So I thought, why not to make a video on this book so that you people can read, understand, and I can read each and every topic of this book, and so that you can understand, and I can explain you so that you can understand it in a better way. So many a times it is available in ebooks also, but ebooks you have to pay. After that, it comes in a single stress. So in a single stretch, right? So I thought, why not make a video? So, and this is my favorite book, as you all know. So in our last topic, we have covered video on this, the silver cord, and in this topic, I'm going to cover this topic. When you are asleep, you are healed and guided. So this is our today's topic. Okay, I will start, friends. Okay. 7th 1981. 7th May 1981. This is video number 27, right? So what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So whenever you see the video, you could understand which video I'm seeing, because often what happens, if you do not say sequence wise, you will get confused which video I have seen, which video I have not seen. So it's very difficult. So I'm giving number to each and every video so that you can understand, friends. Okay, so I will start. 7th 5th 1981. 7th May 1981. You When you are asleep, you are healed and guided. So this is the name of the topic. I will start. The spirit world is far from you and the earth. It is span around the earth, but miles and miles above you. The lowest realm is closest to the earth. Above it is second realm, and so on. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagari that the spirit world is very much far away from us, right? So from us, the closest realm is realm 2, then realm 3, then realm 1, then the spirit world comes. You may meet your dear ones for a few minutes or for a few hours. It depends upon our sleep. So here, this is a very interesting point which Vipsi and Ratu is telling us. They are telling who are our nearest and dearest one. We can meet them when we are in deep asleep, which should be deep and dreamless. Mostly everyone has a dear one to visit, even if he or she is not known you in this life. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling we all soul have a dearest and nearest one whom we visit whenever we are asleep, in a deep dreamless asleep, when we are seeing no dream. That time we meet our nearest and dearest ones. Once again, the love should be mutual and not one-sided. Here, Vipsi and Ratu is telling our love should be mutual. It should not be one-sided. It should not happen that we are loving them or they are not loving us, or they are loving us, we are not loving them. So our love should be mutually from both sides. Then we can meet them. It is the link that keep you going no matter what you suffer. You have no memory of that visit, but it affects make your you makes you face your problem and gives you courage to overcome your misery. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling we do not have any memory of that meeting. For example, if I am meeting any of my friends who have departed, who are the departed soul who don't live in this earth, right? So they are no more with me. So I meet when I am in dreamless state, even you meet, but we do not have any memory of the meeting, what we have talked with each other. The meeting can go for minutes and it can go for the hours. It depends upon our sleep. And even we can get solution to our problem in that meeting. Have you noticed that after a good sound sleep, you feel calm and less miserable than before? Well, The reason is this: you meet your loved ones and they calm you down and provide guidance through your subconscious mind. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling, when we are in deep dreamless state, that time we meet our nearest and dearest ones, and they give us guidance, they heal us, they give us beautiful energies. But your physical mind does not know anything about this. You are calmed down, but it is up to your subconscious mind whether it can force guidance upon your physical mind or not. So here Vipsi and Rato is telling about the meeting. Our it happens to subconscious mind. So our physical body or our physical mind doesn't know anything about this meeting. So this is being said by Vipsi and Rato. Every person on the earth needs good sound sleep, even for a little while, which makes you visit us and allow us to help calm you down and guide you. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling every soul in the spirit world, every soul in the earth world need a sound less sleep, where there is no dream, where we are in a very deep state of sleep, so that we can meet to our loved ones, we can take guidance from there, and we can get healed, right? When your subconscious mind fails to enforce guidance and advice into your physical mind, we have to try very hard to impress your physical mind. Here, Vipsi and Rato is telling, when our subconscious mind doesn't take the instructions and they do not accept the orders, that time it is very difficult for those souls to influence our physical mind and make you understand what you should or shouldn't do. Most of the time, however, your physical mind reject our advice and guidance, thinking it is just a passing thought that may be wrong. So here Vipsi and Rato is telling, many a times our physical mind, what it does, our conscious mind, it rejects. It said no, it's just a passing thought and I am not serious about it. So it is very difficult for those souls in the spirit world to help us. Most of the time, you fail to understand our guidance and you often do what you shouldn't do. Here, Vipsi and Rato is telling, most of the time we fail to understand the guidance of our souls, of our nearest and dearest one, and we do what we want to do. We don't listen to them, which is not correct. This is the worst part of your life on earth, which often takes you to the lower realm because you ignore our guidance. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling, when we ignore the guidance of our love and nearest one, it takes us to the lower realm. You think, who is going to know about it? As long as I can be successful and reach on the earth, it is happiness to me. So we here think the reason of short term happiness. We see that we want to be happy in this earth world, and let whatever be the reason, whatever be the way, we want to be success, we want money. So we often do negative karma, which is not good for our soul. But have you thought of what will happen after a few years of happiness? You are on earth for only few years, but you are in the spirit world the rest of the time. So here Vipsi and Rato is telling, we are in the earth only for a few time. After that, we have to go to the spirit world. We have to show our faces to the spirit world. Then what will happen? For a few years of temporary happiness on the earth, do you want to be on the lower realm in the spirit world for hundred of years? So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling, just for few years of temporary happiness on this earth world, we want to be in the lower realm for hundred of years. That is not justified. This should help you to understand why you should lead a good life on the earth. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling, we often should live a very beautiful life on the earth, because in this earth world many a times many people gives us a example. I will give you example which often it is given to the children. So if you study for 10 to 12 years, you will enjoy your whole life, but if you do not study, then you are going to be in pain in your whole life. In the same way Vipsi and Ratu is telling, in this few years, if we study in the earth, if we do our karma properly, if we do good karma, we are going to enjoy the spirit world. And in this few years, if we are not going to do our good karma, we are going to suffer in the lower realm for thousand of years, which is not correct. And friends, as this topic came to an end, the when you are asleep, you are healed and guided. This topic came to an end. Our next topic is life on different realm, which I will be covering on the next video. As friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make the full book in one video. So what I am doing is that I am making video on each and every topic so that you people can understand. You people can comment to me. I can give replies to your comments and you can directly connect with me on Instagram handle. So if you have any doubts, you can directly ask me in regards to this book. And I always recommend you all to read this book, and the name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World. Okay. And okay friends, now our video came to an end. We will meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye friends. Be well, be blessed.